I'm so excited to share this haul with you guys. It is new fall Bath and Body Works stuff. Some of the scents I may have had last year. I don't even know. I haven't ordered Bath and Body Works in so long. There is one item missing. I already gave it to my granny. She wanted the marshmallow pumpkin latte, and so the lotion of that. So I already gave that to her out of my box. The order came like 30 minutes ago. I had some like promotion kind of deal codes, and I got several free items and I got free shipping. Otherwise this order would have been like really close to like $100, but I got a lot of great stuff, I feel like, and I'm so excited to share it with you because it's fall. Yes, let's jump right in. I'm gonna start with the two body creams that I got. These are the 24 Moisture Ultra Shea body creams, and I got Bonfire. Now this is a new scent. It's toasted marshmallows, crackling fires, and cozy flannels. All these smell so good, and look how beautiful the packaging is. The other body cream I got is the whipped vanilla and spice, and I got both coordinating sprays with this as well. I got 4 items free, you guys. Like I said, I had like a free item and a free shipping, I believe was the deal at the time. The products were buy 2 get 2, or buy 3 get 1 free, something like that along the lines. You get free items. Basically I ended up with 4 free items, and I only paid for 4 or 5 of them. And I like these body creams much better than their lotions because I like how thick and creamy they are versus how liquidy the regular lotions are. Next up for sprays, these are regularly $14.50 each, and I did get the whipped vanilla and spice. So like I said, I got both of those. I love vanilla scents, and I couldn't pass that one up. The packaging is so adorable on these. Also, I got the marshmallow pumpkin latte spray, and more than anything from Bath and Body Works, I am into their sprays. I do enjoy their lotions, I do enjoy the shower gels, but I can find stuff like that at the drugstore to pair with the scents, so I typically buy a lot of sprays. But my favorite thing to purchase from Bath and Body Works is definitely their sprays, because I can pair them with whatever lotion or shower gel I want at the drugstore. And typically around these times you can find seasonal stuff, so seasonal shower gels and lotions at, say, Walmart paired with this for cheap. Can't beat it. So I got several of the packaging style of these, and this is pumpkin picking. This is new, and it says it's cinnamon spice cider, fresh pumpkin pie, and hay rides to the patch. The hay rides to the patch is what got me, and this smells so good. Some of them are lighter than others because I've already been spraying them. I'm not even gonna lie. The next one is also new, and it's called Sweater Weather. And don't you just love this packaging? Looks way more expensive. Sweater Weather, it says golden autumn leaves, bright blue skies, and crisp apple slices. This one smells really good. This one's the strongest one that I ordered. I also got Autumn Nights and Friday Night Lights Cool Air Varsity Leather Jackets. The leather jackets part really got me because I like masculine scents, so pretty much yes, I'm gonna love that one. And the last spray that I got and final item is the Bonfire Bash, and that's toasted marshmallows, crackling campfires, and cozy flannels. Once again, I got the cream to pair with that. And yes, I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to share with you guys this haul. I haven't had a Bath and Body Works haul in forever, and I am so excited for fall. It's seriously my favorite season. I know everyone and their brothers and sisters say that here on YouTube, but it seriously is my favorite time of year. I love the fall. I love the beautiful colors. We live in the country, so it gets absolutely stunning here. Yes, but that's the haul. I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. Check that description box below for additional links to tons of different content. And I thank you always for watching. Don't forget to ring that bell. Subscribe if you haven't already.